So my name is Liz Guarini, and I did my doctoral studies at Stanford University, and I was a graduate mentor at UCLA. And what I learned from this process is that the curriculum guide for any college is the same. Whether you're taking this at a community college or at a Stanford or a Cal State or a University of California, there is a curriculum guide for any university, any college. You just type in curriculum guide or general ed requirements, and you'll notice you have to take classes in each of the areas. You don't have to take them in order. You can go, I'm going to take one class from my category A, one from B, one from C. You can go in any order as long as you finish them. You just have to make sure you finish each one of these. So for example, area A is English communication, and it tells you you got to do one class from category A, one from B, one for C. Well, let's pretend that in the fall of 2024, they don't offer A. Well, take your B or take your C or take another one. In the end, you're just going to use this as a checklist. And when you finish, that's called graduation. You apply for graduation, you're done. That's for your general education, right? That's what you're doing. And then in your college degree, you also have your major, right? Let's say it's engineering. Let's say it's real estate. Let's say it's communications. It doesn't matter if you do those classes first or these classes first to get your degree from college. You're going to do this for your general ed in any program. Work on these first. Let's say you're a real estate major. Okay, work on all of these first, right? And then you can start chiseling at real estate. Or at that point in time, you can change to, like, maybe you realize in your general ed, I have all these classes I took in communications and I might only have a semester or a year left of the degree. Well, then you might as well either do a double major or finish that one degree. So I did that for undergrad. I did Spanish for my undergrad. I started as biology, but then I did a study abroad and realized I can graduate in a semester. So then I will do a different degree for my master's program. So I did Spanish undergrad. I went into a master's program in a science field. So I did speech pathology, which is like heavy on neuroscience. Had nothing to do with my undergrad. I did another program in history, nothing to do with my undergrad. So you have so many choices, and you don't have to graduate in the degree that you started off with. The important thing to remember is chisel away at your general education, all of your general education units first. Stanford University, for example, doesn't allow you to declare a major until you finish all of this. So do the same thing as Stanford students. Just go ahead and check off all your general ed, and then when you're finished, then start exploring the classes in your major, either double major or change your major at that point when you see what you've done in your general. Okay, so I hope this helps.